On August 13th, Cheektowaga Police arrived at an apartment at 269 Sanders Road with a high-risk warrant for 60-year-old Hugh Davis Jr. He was wanted for a brutal hotel assault that had left an employee in a medically induced coma. Officers planned to use a ruse to draw him out peacefully, but a sudden, unexpected event would force a violent and fatal confrontation in a matter of seconds. The body camera footage begins on the second-floor landing, with 3 officers positioned outside the apartment door. For approximately 4 minutes, they attempt their ruse, knocking intermittently and calling out that he left property in a rental car.
Cheektowaga Police, you lost some property. We're just trying to return it to you. Mr. Davis, you lost some property. We're just trying to return it to you. You left some stuff in your rental car. They called us.
You hear anything there?
Someone come out. Mr. Davis, you lost some property in your rental car. We're here to give it back. What is it supposed to say? Can't see it.
She said he wandered?
Suddenly, as an officer knocks again, the center panel of the door gives way and falls into the apartment, creating an unplanned breach. An officer then moves to enter the now open doorway to make the arrest. At that exact moment, Davis appears in the doorway, armed with a large knife, and immediately lunges toward the officers in the tight hallway.
Oops. Oops. I'm just trying to knock. Oh, shit. This thing wasn't even on.
Come on, please! What's that about doing? He got a knife! He got a knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it!
Holy fuck.
You guys good?
We're good.
Radio shots fired. We got one down. We're okay. Let everyone know. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
The impact causes Davis to slide down the flight of stairs to the landing below. An officer is heard shouting, "Don't move," while keeping his weapon aimed at Davis.
Here.
Oops. Oops. I'm just trying to knock. Oh, shit. This thing wasn't even on.
police! Who's that back door? Drop the knife! Drop it! Stop it! You guys good? We got one down. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Oh shit. This thing wasn't even on.
Cheektowaga Police! Who was that back door? Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it!
You guys good? 18 to radio, shots fired. We got one down, we're okay. Let Buffalo know. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Show me your hands!
Hands! Hands!
Show me
Hands!
your hands! Show me your fucking hands! What'd you see?
I just heard something. I heard something.
Come out with your hands up!
Guys,
Come out with your hands up!
one down radio, one suspect down.
Get in here!
Where is he? We need to get a med kit. Can you guys hold that door?
As officers move to retrieve medical kits and call for AMR and the Buffalo Fire Department, they then begin life-saving measures.
I got it.
Cheektowaga Police, come to the door with your hands up!
You guys good? You guys good? Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Come on, come on. You got it right Hot, AMR hot.
Yep.
We need them hot.
Buffalo Fire, too. Don't send it all. Nobody else in your apartment, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we shot fire.
Automatic defibrillator. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Adult fast.
Hey, you guys got
Remove pad package.
Try to get some gloves. Come on.
Yep. This thing's all fucked up.
I'm
gonna bring it up.
Police station spare chest.
Got some chest seals out of there, too. You got chest seals? Alright, hold on. Try not to get this evidence disturbed. We got a knife here. Leave that there. You got chest seals in the rest of the
I
bag?
didn't trust you.
Davis was pronounced dead at the scene. The investigation is ongoing, and the officers have been placed on administrative leave. Police Chief Brian Coons later noted the need to review the totality of the circumstances, including the fact that Davis had a stay-away order of protection for that very apartment.